Ha ka artarek ubnai leber hajar arpuar sautli kisang balang ke bekentup ya ka KSU HNYF RBYF bat FKJGP kila lumbiang ya ke jengelang berkirang basnong ha sning bene selok lang bat ki kumno bene dai lek snong kitau na ke jengrung kerthap jong ki menderi kebejuan man kini ke jakpo jong ki trai muluk ke jela beluju jateng ha ki bobun ke jaka bat akani ke jengelang kila pensyai ru iskinong senchar snong ban Pynkhie imbiang ya ke Jingdawa ban yo ya ke inline permit ILP Namar banakadaw jong kaklam COVID-19 kini Jingdawa jong Seng kini susah akut lut ban menta baginang yo alat kila lumbiang ke jengelang bakirang basnong ban Pynkhie ke Jingdawa ban yo ya ke ILP ha kejela. Na kaliang jo kinong yalam na riboy kila penpauru bakin selumlang girang basnong baro bakin satho da ka Shithi Jingdawa ILP sya menteri rang badu kari bat kene kan long kaban nengkong ha ka bagi kenhon jogirang basnong jong ke distrik riboy kinto ekene ke Shithi badawai ke ILP. Hagni kesini leselok bat lawan benishim bentalang di kirang basnong na ke distrik riboy balai dan langru da ki klik nong yalam jong gini giseng ki bagentup yo lambok starwell marngar presiden ka KSU ba bipul thankyo presiden ka RBYF uba sadon bla presiden ke HNYF uba dan diklef kongset presiden ke FKJGP bat kiwe-kiwe ginong yalam. Nagaliang kikatu kaningot kirang basnong kibali olat ban keren na kani kajing yalang kilepen pau ya kajing sungu yo mensiem haba ki olat ban syong perkat na kebenta kajing syong shengan jong kisnong kitau jong ki bat jong kajat benrio bat don kibalapen pau ru balara ka snong hi ka klan kan ailat ki barjela bakin wan ban buhai snong ne ban wan kamai Nagaliang uba roki kala wen kilong yalam snong ula ajing mud baladi ban snano daki kenja kot leng kedop bahikai berbatai sepang ke ILP bat kiwei dia bat kini kikot kin sapha ban sam saman lagi snong bat kinong senchar snong kide ban hikai bat pen pau skipat ba halor ke ILP gilapan pauru bag sarkar Meghalaya keladai banang penklan chu ika kendon an Meghalaya Residence Safety and Security Act hajar ka nrio bat ban Pynkhie mardor skibor ke sarkar pedeng ban penurlong no ya ka inline permit ha ke jela Meghalaya daga babenrap babalik ke sarkar pedeng ban ai ya ke ILP kat baya ka Manipur pat kem dadon kanu kuno ke jingeki da kemat Jingdawa la ai ya ke ILP.
The presence of the pandemic in the last 2 years has slow us down regarding this pressure for the demand for the implementation of ILP, especially after 2019 when the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly has passed a resolution for the implementation of the same. So the central government has not responded to this matter of concern so far. So as NGOs since 2013, we keep pressuring the state government and the central government for the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. And at the same time, our pressure is towards the central state government of Meghalaya for the immediate implementation of the letter and spirits of the MRSSA, the Principal Act, and should keep the amendment part that the state of Meghalaya has proposed to the central government, should keep it aside and implement the Principal Act. Because we feel that even if the MRSSA is implemented in its letter and spirit, to a certain extent it will check the influx and migration to the state of Meghalaya. But our main point of demand is the implementation of ILP, which is constitutionally possible since the central government has granted ILP to the state of Manipur, and we feel that should treat us in the same line.
Our subject of ILP is not only the NGO's issue, but it's the issue of the people of Meghalaya as a whole. So what I wanted to say is a direct question to the Indian government. We as a Meghalayan, we don't ask our own flag, different flag for our state. We don't ask a separate country, but we feel why when we talk about the issue of ILP to the government of India, it neglects us. Even though the resolution had been passed by the legislature, up to now, the central government is still adamant. So we fail to understand. This is a kind of stepmotherly act to us, to the Meghalayan people as a whole.
Expectation from the people of the state of Meghalaya that we need from the government of India to recommend and approve the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. The meeting today is very positive. The headman of the Umsning area is expressed his concern and his support, and we feel that this is not a demand of the warriors pressure group, this is a demand of people of state of Meghalaya. So we expect that this meeting today will knock the door to the leaders of the government of India to hear our views, our opinion that people of the state of Meghalaya highly needs that the implementation of LP is very much important.
That all the headmen from the Riboy district will call one more meeting, but it won't be a public meeting. It will be only held between the Rangba Ashnong only. I hope we'll convey the message and discuss with the Riboy Dorbar and Sunjuki Rangba Ashnong Riboy district. Our move will be this will be the first letter that Rangba Ashnong of Riboy district will send a letter directly to the PM of India on regard of our demand of ILP. Will convey the message regarding the resolution passed by the 60s MLAs through in 2019, and I hope so, but it won't take long time. Riboy district will produce the first letter to the PM on demand regarding the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya as a whole.